Good morning, dear Shemstars. Shemstars, I hope you all are well and healthy at your home. Dear students, today we are going to start with the new topic for exercise 6.2, that is based on increasing and decreasing functions. The very first question of your exercise 6.2 is, show that the function given by fx equal to 3x plus 17 is strictly increasing on R, that is real numbers. Students, to show increasing or decreasing function, the first thing we are going to do is to find its first order derivative. So the first order derivative of 3x plus 17 is 3, that we all know. For all x belongs to the reals. So as you know, 3 is always greater than 0. So the sign of f dash x is positive. That means it is a strictly increasing function on R. Your second question is, show that the function given by fx equal to e raised to power 2x is strictly increasing on R. Again we will find the first order derivative of x. So first derivative of fx is 2e raised to power 2x. Again e raised to power 2x we can write it as e raised to power x whole square. So the multiplication of two positives always gives a positive. So the sign of f dash x is positive. That implies fx is a strictly increasing function on R. Now the next question of your exercise is, show that the function given by fx equal to sin x is, a part is strictly increasing in 0 to pi. Students, for increasing or decreasing, the very first thing that we are going to do is to find its derivative. So first let's calculate the derivative of sin x. So the derivative of sin x is cos x. Now in the quadrant from the value 0 to pi by 2, cos x takes always positive values. So that means f dash x has positive sign. This implies fx is strictly increasing on 0 to pi by 2. Next is pi by 2 to pi. Now f dash x, that is cos x, in the second quadrant cos is always negative. That means it is less than 0. So this implies our function fx is strictly decreasing on pi by 2 to pi. Next is between the value 0 to pi. So as we have seen in the first two cases, from 0 to pi by 2 it is strictly increasing, from pi by 2 to pi it is strictly decreasing. So in the entire function it is taking increasing as well as decreasing value. So that means in the whole interval our function is neither increasing nor decreasing. Now the next question is question number 5. Students, question number 4 is just similar to that of question number 3. Do try it yourself. Now the question number 5 is, find the intervals in which the function f given by the polynomial 2x cube minus 3x square minus 36x plus 7 is strictly increasing or strictly decreasing. There they have not given you the entire real line. They are asking you to find that interval in which it is strictly increasing or decreasing. For this, again what we are going to do, we will find the first order derivative, put that first derivative equal to 0, and we will find the points. These points are known as the critical points. So here as you can see, our first order derivative is coming out to be 6x square minus 6x minus 36. Taking 6 common throughout and making its factor, this reduces to 6 times of x minus 3 and into with x plus 2. So when we put f dash x equal to 0, we are getting the values of x as minus 2 and 3. So the entire number line is divided between minus infinity to minus 2, minus 2 to 3 and 3 to infinity. As you can see the table, we always make such kind of tables in case we have to make the intervals by ourselves. The very first column is the interval, then the sign of f dash x and the nature of the function. Students, if the sign of f dash x comes out to be positive, then it is increasing. If it comes out to be less than 0, then it is decreasing. And if it is equal to 0, then it is neither increasing nor decreasing. So as we can see, we have three intervals with us. So we have written these three intervals. Now these positive and negative signs comes by taking any random points in the value of f dash x. As you can see, f dash x is x minus 3 and x plus 2. So we can put any random points and find these values. If it comes out to be positive, it is increasing. If it comes out to be negative, it is decreasing. I hope you have understood the question well. So that's all for today, students. Do practice these questions at home and do try question number 4 by yourself. Thank you so much, students.